Hi, today in this video we are about to discuss a reagent called TEMPO, which is 2266 tetramethyl piperidine 1-oxyl, and this is the structure of this TEMPO. And in this a radical seems to be present which is more stable because of the steric effect. For better understanding, please don't skip this video and watch till the end. This TEMPO will oxidize the alcohols and also the sulfides to sulfoxides. Let's start. You see, the TEMPO is a commercially available nitroxyl radical containing a reagent that catalyzes the oxidation of primary and secondary alcohols in conjunction with co-oxidants. Using the co-oxidants, the TEMPO will oxidize the primary and secondary alcohols with co-oxidants such as hypochlorite, bromide, hypervalent iodine or peroxy acids. This is a commercially available product and it can even be sublimed. The catalyst is particularly useful for oxidation of optically active alpha alkoxy or alpha amino alcohols. So this alpha alkoxy or alpha amino alcohols, it is converted to corresponding aldehydes without the loss of enantiomeric purity. See, the alcohols are converted to aldehydes, that is oxidation happens without the enantiomeric purity loss. In conjunction with other oxidizing agents, there are other oxidizing agents also present like KMnO4, Fetizone's reagent, etc. This reagent provides mild conditions for oxidations. See this example. This is the primary alcohol. This primary alcohol is converted to aldehyde in presence of TEMPO and co-catalysts such as NaOCl, NaBr in presence of DCM and water at 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. This primary alcohol is converted to aldehyde. This TEMPO will catalyze the oxidations or chemoselective. See, this is chemoselective oxidizing agent. It is chemoselective for primary alcohols if secondary alcohols are oxidized slowly. See, this is the primary alcohol and this is the secondary alcohol. In this example, the primary alcohol in presence of TEMPO, oxidation happens in presence of CuCl as a co-catalyst and DMF is used as a solvent. So this primary alcohol is converted to aldehyde and this secondary alcohol remains as it is. It can be oxidized at longer reaction times. The polymer supported TEMPO is a metal-free catalyst. See this, there is no metal if the polymer supported TEMPO is used and it is used for chemoselective oxidations. It is readily removed from the reaction mixture. After the reaction is completed, the catalyst is removed from the reaction mixture and it can be reused for several times. So this is the primary or secondary alcohol if this is a ketone, or the primary alcohol if it is a hydrogen. In presence of polystyrene based oxidant, this is the polymer, and presence of TEMPO and acetone is used as a solvent. It is oxidized. This alcohol is oxidized, and you see this example. This is a primary alcohol, which is CH2OH. In presence of polystyrene based oxidant, and TEMPO is used as a reagent and acetone is used as a solvent, this alcohol is converted to aldehyde. So this is an example which is taken from organic letters. The primary alcohol is converted to its aldehyde in presence of TEMPO, the trichloroisocyanuric acid. This is the structure of this acid. In presence of DCM, the oxidation happens. See, this is the primary alcohol and this is the secondary alcohol, and this is also the secondary alcohol. In presence of TEMPO and DCM and NaOCl at lower degree centigrade, which is minus 5 degrees centigrade, the primary alcohol is alone oxidized to aldehyde and this secondary alcohol remains as it is. If the reaction happens at the longer time, this alcohol is also oxidized. At this case, the primary alcohol is alone oxidized to aldehyde at these conditions. You see this example, this is the primary alcohol. This alcohol is oxidized to acid. These are the co-catalysts. If NaOCl and NaClO2 and methyl cyanide is used in presence of TEMPO, the primary alcohol is converted to aldehyde and the aldehyde is again oxidized to acid. If this co-catalyst and TEMPO is used, this primary alcohol is converted to its corresponding acid. And this is reported in Journal of Organic Chemistry. Using the TEMPO and its co-catalyst, the oxidation of sulfides to its sulfoxide also happen. So this is the sulfide in presence of TEMPO and NaOCl KBr, in presence of sodium bicarbonate and DCM at 0 degrees centigrade, the sulfide is converted to its sulfoxide, so SO minus. And if the aromatic, this R group is aromatic, the dash projection is more favored, and if it is aliphatic, the wedge projection is more favored. The yields are reported here, and this is reported in tetrahedron. This alpha hydroxy beta lactam, this is alpha hydroxy beta lactam. It is converted to its mixed anhydride, and this is converted to its mixed anhydride in excellent yield and selectivity. The yield is more and selectivity is good. Importantly, there is no epimerization was observed for this TEMPO mediated Baeyer-Villiger oxidation. The Baeyer-Villiger oxidation, what will happen is, the 4-membered ring here is converted to its 5-membered ring, and this alcohol is converted to its corresponding ketone, then thus the product of this Baeyer-Villiger oxidation. This TEMPO is used for this purpose also, for Baeyer-Villiger oxidation. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it, share to your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get notified. Have a good day.